Brainlab, a global leader in software-driven medical technology, and KIMS Hospitals Bengaluru have signed a landmark Memorandum of Understanding to establish South Asia's first Brainlab Functional Neurosurgery Reference Center, Training Hub, and Center of Excellence. This pioneering initiative aims to advance precision brain surgery, strengthen clinical excellence, and provide world-class training opportunities for neurosurgeons across India and South Asia. The collaboration will integrate cutting-edge technologies such as robotic-assisted intraoperative imaging, advanced surgical navigation, and mixed reality visualization into a unified ecosystem. These innovations are expected to enhance surgical accuracy, improve workflows, and support better patient outcomes. With the growing demand for advanced treatments like deep brain stimulation and epilepsy surgery, this center will play a crucial role in expanding access to highly specialized neurosurgical care. Speaking on the occasion, Brainlab President Vinicius Desoy Maciel described the partnership as a major milestone in advancing neurosurgical technology and education across the region. The initiative is expected to accelerate the adoption of precision-guided functional neurosurgery and help develop future-ready surgical expertise throughout South Asia.
So, that's not something that happens by accident. So, as said initially, there was a big project on being a center of excellence in India by KIMS Hospital, and that's where we started also discussing the possibilities of joining forces. And I must say, so there was also a very serious investment decision done by this institution. So it's not something that just happened like this, or we just bring in equipment and they get started operating. So this was a very carefully planned investment, also the implementation plan to get the entire team on board, because the entire technology without the skill is not worth much. So this is also an important point to get there, and I would say this is also something that drives Brainlab from the beginning, and I see this team has also the same values. One of them is being very curious. Curiosity, ingenuity, and the will to really move forward, break barriers that are nowadays just impeding patients of having a better quality of life. And that's what I see is a generally driver for this team, for this institution, as well as for Brainlab. That's why it's a perfect match. It's a very vast portfolio of different technologies that account for each step of the procedure, starting with planning. We have all the planning software. This is day one of Brainlab back 35 years ago. But then planning alone is the one thing. Then you have pictures on 2D, on certain